Welcome to the Missouri Department of Revenue's tutorial on how to manage authorized preparers on your business account online. To begin, log into your MyTax Missouri account using your user ID and password. Once you have logged on, select Profile Information and then Manage Authorized Preparers. On this screen, select the Add New Authorized Preparer button. Here, you will enter the user ID and the registration confirmation number provided to you by the authorized preparer. Select Next. The authorized preparer's user details will be displayed on this screen. At the bottom of the screen, you will be able to select what access you would like the preparer to have. Here, you can select the business that they will be authorized on, their start and end date, and what assignments you would like to assign them. You can choose to manually select which taxpayer functions you would like to be assigned. Here, you can place a check mark next to each taxpayer function that you would like the preparer to be able to access. Once you're finished, select OK. You can also choose which tax types the preparer is authorized for. On this screen, select which tax types you would like for the preparer to have access to. Once you're finished, select OK. If you do not want to manually select what access the preparer has to your account, you can select one of the three options that the department has provided for you. Full access authorizes users to complete all business functions for the entity's tax accounts registered with the department. Read-only access only allows the user to view the entity's business portal account. And payroll access grants the users full access to only the employer withholding account. Once you have made your selections, select the Save button. This screen will display the selections that you have made for the authorized preparer. Once you are done, select the Confirm button. The tax preparer will then receive an email informing them of their access. Thank you for watching the Missouri Department of Revenue's tutorial on how to manage authorized preparers on your business account online.